Welcome to the 3M product training video for the 3M Versaflo TR-300 powered air turbo unit. This video will show you how to prepare and don the turbo as well as how to maintain it. Remove the filter cover from your turbo by pressing the latch and lifting the cover off. Inspect the filter and filter seal before installing into the turbo. Place the filter into the filter cover and reinstall into the turbo, ensuring the latch fully engages. The filter label should be visible in the filter cover window. If using the optional pre-filter, place into the filter cover before the main filter. This extends the life of the main filter. If using the spark arrestor, place into the filter cover before the main filter. This protects the system when exposed to sparks. If using both the pre-filter and spark arrestor, ensure the spark arrestor is placed first into the filter cover. To remove the filter, press the latch and lift the cover off of the turbo. For safety, this should be done with the cover facing downwards to prevent particulates from getting into the system. The TR-300 is available with either a 6-hour or 12-hour battery. You can check the level of charge available in your battery by pressing on the indicator, with each bar representing approximately 20% battery life. If the battery requires charging, the battery indicator will flash. Fit the battery ensuring that it engages with an audible click. Check that the battery is in place by gently pulling on it. To remove the battery, press the battery latch and pull from the turbo. Before using the product, you need to carry out the following pre-use checks. Check the airflow by using the provided airflow indicator. Holding the unit with the airflow indicator upright, check that the bottom of the floating ball rests at or above the minimum flow mark. Check that the in-use alarms are working by placing a hand over the outlet of the powered air unit. The alarm should sound and the fan LED should flash. During use, the alarms will indicate when the filter is clogged and/or the battery charge is low. Insert the bayonet end of the breathing tube into the powered air turbo and pull gently on the breathing tube to ensure it is fitted firmly. Put the powered air turbo around the waist and adjust and buckle the belt, ensuring a comfortable fit. To charge the battery, insert the battery into the charging cradle. Initially, you will see the orange LED lit up to indicate fast charging. Once the battery is 90% charged, the orange LED will remain lit and the green LED will flash. Once the battery is fully charged, the orange LED will go out and the green LED will stay on. If both LEDs flash, there is a fault. Try removing and reinserting the battery. If only the orange LED flashes, then the battery pack is outside the charging temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius.